Hi, this is Paul from AdEspresso, and today I'm going to show you how to use the aggregated campaign feature. So what aggregated campaigns allow you to do is to upload preset combinations from a CSV file. That can be for things like your Facebook page, your ad copy and your audiences, and then you can mix them with some A/B testing as you go along and create the campaign. So the first thing that we do is go to a new campaign as usual and give it a campaign name. So I've already put one in here. This example, we're going to be using a chain of hot dog restaurants. And so what we're going to do is choose the aggregated campaign tab, and we'll see we've got two options here. We've got an external website campaign. Facebook would call this a clicks to website campaign. And then we've got a local awareness campaign type. So in this case, we're going to be using an external website. And then if it's the first time that you've used an aggregated campaign, you want to download our template spreadsheet. So I've already downloaded that and I can show you an example here. And what we get here is different fields that you can fill in. So things like your page, your headline, your link description, your audiences, and so on. And then I've got an example where I filled this in as a template. So this is our hot dog restaurants, and we can see that we put in a different URL for each store, different display link, different Facebook page they're connected to, different city, and then some custom placeholder text, which we'll come to in a second. So if we go back to our campaign now, I've already prepared this file for upload. And so we can hit proceed, and we'll see that it's just going to import our combinations, which takes a few seconds. Once it's uploaded, we get a green tick to show that it's successfully uploaded. Again, just hit proceed, and then that's going to start creating our campaign template for us. Now, the first thing that you might notice on the template is that some things are grayed out. So anything where we've uploaded it from our CSV file, we've got the preset combinations, so then we can't choose those. But anything here where we've got our plus sign, we can do our standard A/B testing. So something I'll show you with the headline here is if I just put in some text, then we can use any of our placeholder text that we've uploaded from that CSV file. So in this case, I can put the store location name, and then with the ad text, we're going to try a couple of different versions. And this is where the magic really comes in, is that we can choose some of that placeholder text that we've got there. And then we're going to try a different version here. And again, I'm just going to put in the store name. But you see we've dynamically created two different ad text there. That's going to be name checking the city. And I'm going to upload a couple of images now. I've got some prepared in the gallery already. So we're just going to choose two hot dog images. And then of course, call to action. I might just put learn more in this case. And then choose our placement. So this is like a standard campaign creation. I'm going to go for desktop and mobile. And of course, what we can see now is those all important previews. So you see it's dynamically put in our placeholder text there. And we've got LA here and we've got LA there. So that's where the preset combinations match up. But of course, we can then be doing some A/B testing on things like the image there. So we really gain the best of both worlds. We can put some of the text in place from the CSV file, and then we've got that split testing there. So we're now going to go on to step 3 of campaign creation. And again, anything that we've uploaded already, like locations in this case, is going to be grayed out, but we could also still choose from our demographics, like we could be split testing 2 different age ranges if we wanted to. And so on. So we've got some targeting here. We uploaded different interests from our CSV file, so those are already put in. And then when we click proceed on step 3, we can still do some split testing. So for example, if we want to see the difference between mobile and desktop in this case, we can choose those options there. And then as usual, we go on to step 4, budget and bidding, and we can choose our budget, like in this case, $10 a day, choose the start date and so on, just like a normal campaign. So I hope that shows you that we can use our spreadsheet and we can still do A/B testing, and then we go and create our campaign that way. So I hope you find aggregated campaigns useful, and thank you for using AdEspresso.